Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been curious about: how to turn $100 into $1,000 a month through realistic side hustles. If you've ever dreamed of boosting your income without quitting your day job, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore practical and achievable side hustles that can help you reach that financial goal. Side hustles are essentially part-time jobs or entrepreneurial ventures that individuals pursue alongside their primary employment. They serve as a fantastic way to supplement your income, allowing you to achieve financial goals more quickly. In today's economy, relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, which is where side hustles come into play. One of the most appealing aspects of side hustles is their flexibility. You can choose when and how much you want to work, making it easier to fit into your busy schedule. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering consulting services, the potential income can vary widely, giving you the opportunity to earn significantly more than you might expect. Moreover, diversifying your income streams through side hustles is crucial for financial growth. It not only provides a safety net in case of job loss or unexpected expenses, but also allows you to invest in your passions and interests. By exploring different avenues for income, you can build a more secure financial future while gaining valuable skills and experiences. Embracing side hustles can truly transform your financial landscape and open doors to new opportunities. When it comes to finding the perfect side hustle, the first step is to assess your skills and interests. Self-reflection is key here. Take some time to think about what you enjoy doing and what you're good at. Are you a whiz at graphic design, or do you have a knack for writing? Perhaps you love crafting or have a talent for teaching. Identifying these personal skills and hobbies will help you narrow down potential side hustles that align with your strengths. To make this process easier, consider using online tools and quizzes designed for skills assessment. Websites like 16 Personalities or Skillshare can provide insights into your abilities and preferences, helping you discover new avenues you may not have considered. Remember, passion plays a crucial role in choosing a side hustle. When you engage in something you love, it not only makes the work enjoyable, but also increases your chances of success. A side hustle fueled by passion can lead to greater motivation and commitment, ultimately resulting in higher earnings. So, take the time to explore your skills and interests, and you'll be well on your way to finding a fulfilling side hustle that resonates with you. If you're looking to kickstart your side hustle journey with just $100, there are plenty of low-cost options available that can help you earn extra income. One popular choice is freelance writing. With a computer and internet access, you can start offering your writing services on platforms like pave or Upwork. Create a profile showcasing your skills, and you can begin landing gigs in no time. Another great option is pet sitting. If you love animals, this side hustle requires minimal investment, just some marketing materials and perhaps a few supplies. You can sign up on platforms like Rover or Wag to connect with pet owners in your area looking for reliable sitters. If you have a knack for graphic design, consider offering your services on sites like 99 Designs or Canva. You can create logos, social media graphics, and more, all from the comfort of your home. Additionally, consider reselling items online. You can start by sourcing products from thrift stores or garage sales and then list them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. With these low-cost side hustle ideas, you can easily turn your $100 into a profitable venture while doing something you enjoy. Establishing a strong brand and online presence is crucial for the success of your side hustle. A well-defined brand helps you stand out in a crowded market and makes it easier for potential customers to recognize and trust your services. Start by creating a simple website or social media profile that reflects your brand identity. Platforms like Wix or WordPress allow you to build a professional-looking website without any coding skills, while social media channels like Instagram and Facebook can help you connect with your audience. Networking is another vital aspect of building your online presence. Engaging with others in your industry can lead to valuable connections, collaborations, and referrals. Join online communities, participate in forums, and attend virtual events to expand your network. Additionally, online marketing strategies, such as content marketing and social media advertising, can significantly boost your visibility and attract more clients. Consistency in branding across all platforms is essential. Use the same logo, color scheme, and messaging to create a cohesive look that reinforces your brand identity. This consistency builds trust and recognition, making it easier for customers to remember you. By focusing on branding and online presence, you'll set a solid foundation for your side hustle's growth and success. Once your side hustle is up and running, the next step is to focus on scaling it to increase your income. One of the most effective strategies is to reinvest your profits back into the business. This could mean upgrading your tools, investing in marketing, or even taking courses to enhance your skills. By putting your earnings back into your hustle, you create opportunities for growth and improvement. Another key strategy is to automate tasks wherever possible. Look for tools and software that can help streamline your processes, such as scheduling social media posts or managing customer inquiries. Automation not only saves you time, but also allows you to focus on higher value tasks that can drive your business forward. Additionally, consider exploring additional revenue streams related to your hustle. For instance, if you're a freelance writer, you might offer editing services or create online courses to teach others your skills. Diversifying your income sources can provide more stability and increase your overall earnings. By implementing these strategies, reinvesting profits, automating tasks, and expanding your offerings, you'll be well on your way to scaling your side hustle and achieving your financial goals. Tracking your income and expenses is essential for the success of your side hustle. By keeping a close eye on your financials, you can identify trends, understand your profitability, and make informed decisions. Tools like QuickBooks, Mint, or even simple spreadsheets can help you monitor your earnings and expenditures effectively. These tools allow you to categorize your expenses, making it easier to see where your money is going and where you can cut costs. Regularly reviewing your goals and strategies is equally important. Set aside time each month to assess your progress and determine if you're on track to meet your financial objectives. This reflection will help you identify what's working and what needs adjustment. Adaptability is crucial in the world of side hustles. The market is constantly changing, and being flexible in your approach can lead to new opportunities. If a particular strategy isn't yielding the results you hoped for, don't hesitate to pivot. Experiment with different marketing techniques, explore new platforms, or adjust your offerings based on customer feedback. By tracking your progress and being willing to adapt, you'll position your side hustle for long-term success and growth. In today's video, we explored how to turn $100 into $1,000 a month through realistic side hustles. We discussed the importance of identifying your skills and interests, which can guide you toward the right opportunities. We also highlighted various low-cost side hustle ideas, such as freelance writing, pet sitting, and reselling items, all of which can be started with minimal investment. Building a strong brand and online presence is essential for attracting clients, while scaling your hustle involves reinvesting profits, automating tasks, and exploring additional revenue streams. Finally, we emphasize the importance of tracking your progress and being adaptable to ensure long-term success. Now it's time for you to take action. Choose a side hustle that resonates with you and start implementing the strategies we discussed. Remember, every small step you take can lead to significant financial growth over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Give us a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more resources to support your journey toward financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.